Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Automotor UK. Hello everyone, I hope well good. Are you a motorcycle enthusiast looking for the next big thing in the world of two-wheelers? Look no further. The 2025 Benelli Tornado 552R is here, and it's turning heads with its sleek design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this article, we'll break down everything you need to know about this stunning machine. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, where I dive deep into the Tornado 552R with reviews, test rides, and comparisons. The high-end design styling, a true Italian beauty. Benelli has always been known for its stylish motorcycles, and the Tornado 552R is no exception. The bike features an aggressive, aerodynamic fairing that not only looks stunning but also improves performance. The sharp LED headlights, sculpted fuel tank, and sporty tail section give it a modern and muscular stance. This bike is built for those who love attention on the road. Superscript A engine performance, power meets precision. Under the hood, the Benelli Tornado 552R is powered by a 549cc parallel twin engine, delivering over 60 horsepower and around 50 Nm of torque. This engine is designed for thrilling acceleration while maintaining smooth power delivery. Whether you're ripping through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Tornado 552R provides a balanced ride, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders. The Superscript 1 top speed, estimated around 190 km/h. The Superscript 1 0 to 100 km/h, achieved in just a few seconds. The Superscript 1 fuel efficiency, expected to be around 25 to 30 km/h. FYI, DRS is Sedilla handling comfort, a ride like no other. Benelli has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension for sharp handling and excellent stability. The lightweight tubular steel frame ensures agility, while the USD front forks and rear monoshock absorb bumps effortlessly. Braking is handled by dual front disc brakes with ABS, ensuring safety at high speeds. The ergonomics are designed for comfort, making it ideal for long rides as well as spirited cornering. The IDRS is Sedilla features technology, loaded with goodies. Benelli has packed the Tornado 552R with modern tech to enhance the riding experience. Full digital TFT display shows speed, RPM, fuel levels, and more. LED lighting system bright and stylish for improved visibility. Ride modes customize performance to suit different riding conditions. Smartphone connectivity stay connected on the go. Should you buy the 2025 Benelli Tornado 552R? If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and tech-loaded sport bike that doesn't break the bank, the Tornado 552R is a fantastic choice. It offers Italian design, strong performance, and modern features, making it a serious contender in the middleweight sports category. Pros. IDRS is Sedilla stunning design. IDRS is Sedilla powerful 549cc engine. IDRS is Sedilla smooth handling and ride comfort. IDRS is Sedilla advanced features and tech. Cons. Limited availability in some markets. Might face competition from Japanese brands. Watch my full review on YouTube. Want to see the Benelli Tornado 552R in action? Check out my YouTube channel, where I test-ride this beast, compare it with rivals, and share exclusive insights. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest motorcycle reviews and updates. Watch now. 2025 Benelli Tornado 552R review. Let me know in the comments, so would you ride the Tornado 552R? Thanks for your